In section 3.5, we're going to configure an H323 trunk to migrate from TDM to VoIP trunk. You're required to establish a trunk to a service provider 172.16.1.103. The call manager should send outbound H323 traffic when the user dials 011442040Y8804 as a test number. It should ring the sixth or fourth line of the PSTN phone depending on the type of phone you're using. HQ service provider expects to see the leading 011 as an international code. You must also dial 9 to send the calls to PSTN. The call should be only available to HQ phone, and the caller ID should be displayed as globalized number. The call should ring the PSTN phone. Correct calling number should be displayed, and of course, no inbound call is required for this call test. Now, what we're going to do in order to do configure this is we have configured on the H323 gateway on the device menu. So I have created H323 trunk for this particular service provider IP address 172.16.1.103. Put into HQ device pool, media resource group please HQ. Location should also be set to HQ, along with calling source space, and of course display IE delivery and all sorts of things. Now we're going to assume the service provider side is configured properly to accept calls. Now you can add this gateway to route group if you want, or you can apply it directly to a route pattern. I don't see any other requirement for you to use this particular pattern for sending calls, so I can simply create a route pattern 9.01144 exclamation mark with a partition called HQ, because only HQ phone is allowed. Gateway or route list, select the gateway. Now if you are going to use route group, you can use route group and the route list as the same option. Once that is done, in order to display the caller ID as such, globalization number, you should check this option, use calling party external phone number mask. All your IP phones should already have a globalized number based on your section 3.1, your 2.1 I guess, which is your call manager phone registration, and pretty much that's it. Now I'm putting a 9 dot so that you must also discard the digit on the call party. Once you do that, you can save, open up your you can take a look at a PSTN phone, dial the number.